welcome, it's GillyKube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a pour on this lovely little thick edged canvas. It's already pre-treated with a gesso, whatever you call it. That's how I buy my canvases, a double thick canvas by Montmartre. It's a 20 by 25 centimetre, so a nice little canvas. Now of late I've been doing these different colour combos to test. So I did this one, dried beautifully. I did the catalyst wedge through it as well. It's a very cutie patootie, love that colour combo. So I'm going with something similar, but this was like a very deep navy and I want to use black. I've got a maybe commission or coming up, but they want the base black, but it's for a much bigger piece than this. But I'm trying colour compositions. Anyway, this was another little one I did with a yellow background, which I don't often do, and lots of people don't paint in yellow, I guess, but I just wanted to try the colour combinations and give my channel members colour inspiration, I guess, for combos they could try. And the one that I'm really super excited with and happy with is my big one. You will have seen all of these, probably will have played up on my channel, the tutorials to the ones I've showed you. And this, I sort of did this wiggly line in the gold. It was kind of never meant to be as crazy as that, but it did turn out crazy. But the whole painting turned out absolutely gorgeous, so super happy with that one. So let's begin anyway on this lovely little brick canvas, as I like to call them, because they remind me of a little brick. A little brick, don't get that saying mixed up. I'm going to start off. Now this black I made up. When I make my black up with my pouring medium, I like to add a good dollop of navy blue, because it makes your black, believe it or not, blacker if you add dark blue to it. So strange phenomenon, but true. So I'm told. I'm no expert, don't profess to be. I just give it a go, help people to start their own art journey when they're just an amateur like me. And I'll just give it a go. So, you know, I try. So I'm just going to quickly fill in this with the black. I'm going to put a... You can hear my puppies crying in the background, but they're only crying because they can hear my voice. So don't get stressed or worried about them, because they're super duper happy. It's a little bit of white with Australian Floetrol. Just want to add something in here, so create these lovely cells there. It's kind of how I did the bigger one that I just showed you, with a little bit of shush. So we'll add, this is brilliant red. Now, I'm not even sure whether I want to add, I was going to add gold into this, but I don't think I do. I want to just see what the absolute red and the same colour base. Keep it really minimalistic. Let's just see. So if this colour combo works out fine and I show the person that wants want another piece created but bigger, the colours are right, then it's all good in the world. Got my little bendy end straw. It's just a stainless steel straw with a silicone bendy end, and I got these from my local discount store. Oh. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like keeping it minimalistic. That is perfect, actually, I think. I'm going to just give a belated, and deflated balloon kiss. Oh, I love it. It's coming up to Valentine's Day. Probably when you see this, Valentine's Day will have been and gone, but it is a perfect one for Valentine's Day, isn't it? So maybe I should post this one for Valentine's Day. Oh, I love it. I think that's going to even be better than the other colours for the person I have in mind. I did on my last one. Bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view. Perfect. I think it might just need a little daub of the black again in the centre. Maybe. Probably should have added a bit of red to it too. Maybe I might try that. But how simplistic, just with that cells in the background. Let me just try it on this one. Let's see what I get. This might be perfect. Oh yes. Yeah, I think, maybe just add the red to this one, maybe. Oh, a little bit much. I love it. Actually love it. Thinking of perfect place for this in my own home. That's perfect. I am happy Jen with that. I'll just give it a whiz over with my heat wand. Loving this. Look at the cells in there. Just add something sort of dreamy about it. Even the catalyst wedge swirls, look. Probably can't see them so well on my overhead camera than you can actually see on the work, but love, love, love it. When it dries, I think I will highlight around the edges of my blooms even further. But that might be down the track because I've just got so much on at the moment. Okay, I want to thank you guys for joining me and putting up with my craziness. But I get so many requests for colour combos ideas, so there you go. I've got plenty of them. Until next time, bye for now. Please take care. Love to remind you all, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then absolutely a helpline. Bye for now. Side by side we sway there in all the colors.